Hey, Jack. What's in your mouth? Let me see. Oh, you got a different kind of cookie today, huh? What do you think of that? Hmm? Is it good? Hmm. You like that cookie? Hmm? Let me see. Look at Grandma. Is that good? Yummy. Hmm.
We're going to take the first one. This is 2 sheets. I put it down. No olive oil. And butter. Always butter when you're working with phyllo dough. Always, always, always.
That seems so not Greek.
Well, I'm just telling you. Don't make my item mad.
I'm not going to make anything.
Right. And then you put in a little bit more butter. And then put the next layer on.
What do you think of that, huh? Is that good? Huh?
When Mom got mad, the wooden spoon would come out, and I would run quickly. I was the quickest Greek boy in my neighborhood. I was the only Greek boy in my neighborhood, so it made me the fastest one. All right, then we put another layer down.
How is that? Hmm?
And I butter again. And then
Oh boy, yummy. You like that, don't you?
Just like making a lasagna.
That's a cookie with chocolate on it.
So the phyllo would be almost like the noodles.
Yeah? Is that good?
So delicious with, obviously, with
Yeah.
the fish, but if you, it is a little difficult to work with, if you didn't want.
It's good? Huh? Is it good?
I think pop noodles might work really well too.
Yeah.
I think the puff pastries might get pastries. I just added an extra sugar. Might get a little bit on the soggy side.
Oh, okay.
So then we just put a layer of the spinach, and when you pull the spinach off, make sure that the liquid comes out of it.
Okay, okay.
Just like that. You can just spoon it off.
All right.
How you doing?
Really dry.
Not really dry.
Okay.
Is it good, huh? Jack. Jack. Is that yummy? Hmm? How is that, huh? Yeah, let's see what the cookie looks like now. Okay, there it goes back in the mouth.
I'm going to do that 3 more times. I put it in the oven. We bake it about 375 till it's golden brown, and it is.
Oh, you did good. I thought you would get all full of chocolate. Hmm? Is that good? Yummy. Hmm? Jack, over here. Look at Grandma. What did you have to eat? Huh? Give him another one over there. What did Grandma give you to eat? Huh? You want another one? Put it high in his hand, though. Yeah, okay. Let me see. What are you eating? Huh? Hmm? Let me turn you around here. Can I take that out a minute? Huh? Hmm? What is that? Is that a chocolate cookie? What? Say cookie. Say cookie. Is that delicious, huh? Look at Grandma. Jack, over here. Jack. How's that cookie, huh? Is it good? Say cookie. Say cookie. Is it good? Hmm? Is it good? Say good. Jack. Could I have some? Can I have some? Hmm? Will Grandma have some? Huh? You don't want to share? Hmm? How is that? Huh? Jack. Does it taste good? Huh?
Good?
Is that good? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Over here. Look at Grandma. How is that, huh? What? You like that, huh? Is that yummy? Good. Can I help you? Hmm? Can I help you? Huh? No? Okay. Okay. Push it up in your hand. No, okay. Jack, look over here, Grandma. Jack. Oh, you're running down your hand. Oof. Here, let me just get your hand over here. There we go. Okay, you're making a mess. Okay? Does it taste delicious? If you push it up a little bit, you'll be able to get it. Open up your hand. There you go. Oh, wow. Whoa, look at that. Is that delicious, huh? Mmm, good. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that hand. Let me see that hand. Oh, boy. Let's see. Oh, wow, look at that hand. Full of chocolate. Is that delicious? Look at that face. Mmm, good, huh? Is that good? Look at that. Jack, look over here, Grandma. Oh, this got too long. They're going to cut it off. Oh, now you're going to clap your hands with it, huh? Okay, here we go. Jack. Jack, look up here. Jack. No? Okay. Jack, did you enjoy that cookie, huh? Did you like that? What? No, no more. You're done. Let me see your hands. Oh, no, 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 no. You're getting it all over everything. Let me see. Oh, look at that nice hand. Where's the other hand? Where's the other hand? Oh, you got the two of them together now, huh? Look at me. Look at Grandma. Let me see your face. Jack, let me see your face. Oh, did you find a tiny bit of chocolate left to eat, huh? How is that? Look over here, Grandma. Let me see that face. Oh, boy, look at that face. Oh, now you're going to rub it into the high chair. Okay. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh! Oh, my goodness, sneezing. What happened? Uh-oh, you sneezed all over. Now you're making a sloppy mess, huh? Look at Grandma. Wave bye-bye. No, wave bye-bye. Did you wave bye-bye to me? Huh? Wave bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. No, you're not waving. All right. That's it. You're going to clap hands instead. Okay, good, 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 good. Very good.